shouldn't mark Greenway's position for me. Talk too much anyway. I see you. You weren't kidding, were you?
No. These boys really want to say hello.
Got an idea. Hunker down.
That's the plan.
Whoever said bigger isn't better never sat behind the wheel of one of these. Coming to you now, Greenway. Jump on!
Ready? Gun it!
Come on.
Not good. Not good at all.
Here, take this. You hold them off while I try and get this thing moving again. Run!
Thanks. You're hit.
Just nick me. I'll be fine. I'll hold them off! Go! Find Damien's! Finish this!